It's a Thursday morning, so I am heading to Rocky Mount Rotary. You know, and this is something that as soon as you can, get involved in something. You know, we're super busy with our projects, and you're like, well, I don't have time to volunteer for something else. But mentally, sometimes you need a break from automation. And yeah, it'll help you defrag your mind while you're doing good in the world. As much as I would love to keep dialing that in a little bit more, I posted a picture of this Kinetics Trainer the other week, and several people have asked about it. So I've got to get finished detailing this out because, yeah, really, we've got the backside pretty well worked out. You know, I only showed a picture of the backside in the post because we were trying to figure out how exactly we're going to make the front side work, because our previous one didn't actually have home switches. That was one thing that people kept saying we should add to it. So we're working on some dials to put on this, and yeah, there'll be degrees probably on this wheel, and then we'll have some sensors. So trying to figure all this out, and yeah, hopefully we'll have a picture for you soon. Look at this fine job this guy here did. So this will be the front of the trainer. And yeah, we have two home switches now, and there's a gap in here. So when it goes into that gap, that is breaking that switch. So now we'll just need to make some dials to go to this, just to give us a point of reference. That way we can talk about falling applications. What do y'all think? Looks like Mary Bruce has been on the loose again. My HMI's been stolen. If you recall a couple of videos ago, I was working on this, my wire was too short, and even then I asked y'all, I'm like, how do I make this look slightly better? I'd say, yeah, you know, we did SMC training, pneumatic training yesterday, and SMC walks in, they're like, well, why didn't you put M12s on those solenoids? I'm like, well, I didn't know they existed. So there's how we're gonna fix that. I'm really excited about this. Actually, this is not my idea. I stole this from Inductive Automation's community conference. And we have some clear stuff we're printing here. Michael can tell you exactly what it is, but you'll have to wait until tomorrow morning. We'll see how this looks, we hope. Looks pretty empty over here now. This is where we did the pneumatics training at yesterday. And, you know, I was thinking, you know, people don't realize just what it takes to put something like this together. Because, yeah, this place, well, when it was 6 rooms a month ago, and yeah, it had, you know, different color paint everywhere. It had no carpet. So it did go well. And yeah, y'all need to check out the schedule. There's going to be some new cool classes coming up. Also, a little update on the Rogue Rig. We started building out the ignition screen in it. We are going to use perspective for this one. That way, well, a couple of reasons. One, that way we can flip the switches from our phone, or we can flip the switches from a screen somewhere. But it's going to be really cool. It's starting to come in. It's starting to turn into something. So hopefully we'll be featuring some of it soon. I know I've got tons to do, but sometimes you just got to come home and veg out to the Great British Bacon Show. Y'all have a good evening.